In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. If pictures on websites aren't loading or you keep seeing broken image icons, don't worry, this is usually caused by cached data or a browser extension getting in the way. I'll walk you through a quick cleanup and a safe test so you can get images displaying again. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to the menu in the top right corner, the three vertical dots. From there, open Settings. This is where we'll make a few changes to clear out anything that might be blocking images behind the scenes. In the Settings page, look for Privacy and Security. This section controls your data, cookies, and site permissions, and it's where we can reset the parts of the browser most likely to cause display issues. Next, choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, the Basic tab is perfect for our needs. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. This removes outdated image files that can keep pages from showing new versions correctly. You can leave cookies alone if you'd prefer to stay signed in, but if you don't mind signing in again, clearing cookies can fix stubborn issues too. When you're ready, click Clear Data and give Chrome a moment to process. Now let's make sure no extension is blocking images. Head back to the menu or the left sidebar and open Extensions to reach the Manage Extensions page. This list shows everything you've added to Chrome. Temporarily disable all extensions by toggling each one off. Content blockers, privacy tools, or image optimizers can sometimes stop pictures from loading, even unintentionally. Turning them off is a quick way to test whether one of them is the culprit without uninstalling anything. Finally, return to the tab where images weren't loading and refresh the page. If the pictures now appear, great! You've confirmed it was cached data or an extension. You can re-enable your extensions one by one, refreshing after each to find the specific one causing the issue. If re-enabling an extension breaks images again, leave it off or check that extension settings for an image or media filter you can disable. If images still don't load after clearing the cache and turning off extensions, it may be a problem with the website itself or a temporary connection issue. But in most cases, these steps resolve the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get images showing in Chrome again.